Hi there. Hey, it's Kathryn Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. Welcome to my joyful living kitchen. Tonight we are making, oh, these are so good. They're enchiladas, but they're healthy enchiladas. They're pumpkin seed enchiladas. So I'm going to get started with some onions that I've already chopped, just kind of long-wise, and I'm going to stir this up. I'm going to turn up this stove just a little tiny bit so we can speed up the process. I am hungry. So the onions go in, then I love veggies. I really think everyone should be eating 7 to 10 cups of vegetables a day. So these are yellow and red peppers. I'm going to throw these in. And the recipe didn't call for this, but this is kind of fun. I'm putting more veggies in. Another couple cups of zucchini. So we're just going to let that cook up. We're going to let it cook up. Oh, look how beautiful this is. And I cook this with about a tablespoon of olive oil. And it is a cold pressed olive oil. Really good, healthy for you, and unrefined olive oil. You always want to make sure that your olive oils are unrefined. Look at this. This is incredible. So we're going to add some spices. I'm going to put some salt. Now, I know there's a lot out there about people who have high blood pressure and things like that shouldn't be eating salt. But most of my clients, they have adrenal fatigue. You know, those cute little organs that sit right back here on top of your kidneys, and your adrenals need salt. So then I'll throw in some pepper. There we go. And we're going to put in some cumin. Cumin is one of my favorite spices, so I'm using a lot. And I'm going to throw in some turmeric. Really good. And you know, I don't measure, but I highly recommend that you measure. I love things spicy, but if you don't, use the ingredient list on my recipe. And you can make this recipe pretty darn easily on my website at KathrynChess.com. So I'm letting this cook up. It's just going to simmer, and that's going to go in our cassava. So the recipe called for corn tortillas, but these are cute little cassava. Cassava is just a root, and it's much better for you than corn, than gluten. So I'm going to heat up my cassava tortilla, and I'm going to heat it right here without any oil. It's just going to heat up nice. There we go. And we're going to make the pumpkin salsa. So I'm going to make it right here in my Vitamix. It's kind of close quarters tonight, but I think it's fun to show you how you can cook things real close quarters. This is cilantro. We're going to use some lime juice. So a lime. And then we're going to squeeze the juice of an entire lime because the flavor is just magnificent. So we're going to squeeze that in, 2 of those, and this is going to cook up to a pesto-like substance. We're going to put some salt in, add some salt, and again, some cumin. I'm going to throw some cumin in, perfect, and we'll put in our pumpkin seeds, yummy. About a third of a cup. You can put more if you want. And then I'm throwing in a little bit of garlic. And now I'm going to throw a little bit of garlic in my vegetables too. We're flavoring everything up. Now this is a vegetarian dish, but if you like chicken or pork, feel free to make that your own. And now I'm going to stir this. See how fast and easy this goes together? And in the salsa, I am going to put 1 jalapeno. But when you have jalapenos, make sure you take the seeds out because that's where the hot spice is. So I'm throwing it in. food. And this is cooking down really, really nicely. This is vegetarian, so I'm going to throw in some garbanzo beans. But again, if you wanted to make this with chicken, pork, whatever meat you'd like, a little beef, that works great too. I'm not a vegetarian, but I only eat meat maybe once or twice a week, and I make sure it's an organic meat. So I'm flipping this tortilla, just getting it ready, and now I am going to blend this sauce. And I'm going to throw a little olive oil in it, but I want to blend it up. You can see how fast and easy this comes together. We have our pumpkin salsa. Yum. That's going to go inside with our tortillas. Check this out. So good. And quick, you can see. There's a lot of chopping in this. Okay, I admit. There is a lot of chopping, but you can make a double batch, and you can have this for 2 or 3 days. So just really enjoy it. We're going to make our red sauce. Throw that over there. All I took was some tomatoes. Beef steak tomatoes. You can use any tomatoes you want. And now watch. I'm going to put salt. I'm just going to show you how quick, how easy this is. We're going to put in some pepper. We're going to put in the juice of 1 lime. Use that in. Some olive oil. Whoops. I get creative in the kitchen. I'm putting in a little more cumin because I love it. And that is it. Okay. You know I love cumin. I have to take the top off because I like it so much. I want more. Whoop. It flew. And then this is our red sauce. It's that easy, seriously. And this is cooking up. Almost done. Sometimes I'll wait and get this a little more wilted, but I kind of like it crunchy, kind of a little raw. So normally I would make a big batch of these, but I'm just going to demonstrate what this looks like. So I take my little mini tortilla, and you need more veggies. So I have a plate full of arugula for this, and then I'm going to take some of the pumpkin salsa. So I'm just grabbing a little pumpkin sauce, and I put it on the tortilla. Woohoo! There we go. Easy peasy. I take all these veggies, and for enchiladas, you can just make this in a little roll. But truthfully, you've got to get some of the zucchini and some of the red bell peppers in here. Isn't that gorgeous? Actually, I'm going to eat this like a taco because it's just so little and small that I don't want to ruin it. And then I'm going to throw on some of our red sauce, the red salsa, and I'm going to throw in some more pumpkin sauce. And that is it. So you could roll this up, and they do make larger cassava tortillas. But you could roll this up, and you could cook it back in the pan so the edges are seared like a regular enchilada. But look how easy this is. I'm a gluten, sugar, and dairy free. And so you gotta flavor your food to flavor your life. And when you flavor this up, you really don't miss those things at all. And if you want more veggies and yummy dishes, hey, go onto my website at KathrynChess.com. I have a new series. It's called Veggie It Up. And it's 27 veggie recipes to really help you get healthy and well, but they're flavored so amazingly. I'm Kathryn Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. I help you to rebalance your hormones, renew your energy, and love, love, love your life. Come on over, join me. And I look forward to seeing you healthy, well, and happy. Bye-bye. I love you.